Cwmni theatr o bobl ifanc ydyn ni, ac enw ni di 7, a da ni wedi cael her gyno Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig ac Menter Môn yn mynd amgylch Gwynedd yn hybu iaith a diwylliant a hanes Cymru, ond da ni wedi wneud mewn ffordd deniadol a lliwgar er mwyn talu sylw at bawb.
Dwi'n meddwl bod prosiect fel hyn yn rhoi cyfleoedd anhygoel i bobl ifanc, ond weithio mae lot o beth yn digwydd yn Gaerdydd a lawr yn y de, a mae mor anhygoel bod yn digwydd yng Ngwynedd. Da ni heb gorau edrych yn bell o gwbl i cael criw anhygoel o bobl ifanc sydd mor barod i roed eu hunain o flaen y gad mewn ffordd a mynd amdani a mentro, achos mae'n mynd o'n waith caled. Mae'n gorau gweithio bod fi am 10 wsos bechod. Ond dwi'n meddwl, maen nhw'n hollol barod amdani.
It was a surprise. I didn't know what was happening and how long it was going to be for, but it was good to watch. The lovely setting.
They did, yes, that was really interesting. Yeah, because they had a bit of English, a bit of Welsh. Yeah, that was really interesting.
Yeah, did enjoy it. I was a bit perplexed what was actually going on. We hadn't got a clue what was going on.
Well, it was in Welsh, so obviously I had no idea what it was about, and that's what made it intriguing, I think. And Welsh is what you expect to hear. But I don't think you have to understand something to really enjoy it. I mean, some of the things I've enjoyed the most, especially certain books, if people were to say, what was it about? Maybe sometimes I wasn't really sure, but there's something I liked.
Sesiwn 3, Subtitles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mae'r flamingos yn llythrennol i ddal sylw, achos da chi'n methu ar yn byddu nhw. A wedyn, da ni siarad Cymraeg drwyddo fi gyd, so gobeithio bod o'n ffordd i fatha denu sylw pobl, ond hefyd cyflwyno'r iaith mewn ffordd hwyl a ddim mewn ffordd fatha lle da chi'n gorfodi yr iaith yna nhw, ond mewn ffordd eitha naturiol lle da ni'n defnyddio'r iaith yn naturiol, so mae'n greu synwyr ddim bod o'n rhan o perfformiad yna.
Mae'n anodd efo perfformiad pop-up chi, achos sgynnych chi'n gynulleidfa sydd wedi cytuno i ddod yna, wedi talu tocyn, ond nhw angen denu sylw mewn ffordd.
A da chi'n brin ar amser hefyd, achos maen nhw jyst yn mynd o gwmpas diwrnod nhw yn gyffredin, lle dyn nhw'n disgwyl gweld pobl wedi gwisgo mewn suitcases a fatha beth yn gael yn wetsuit sy'n rhedeg rownd yn gofyn lle mae Rio a pethau fel o. So gen i chi amser prin, so da chi'n gwneud siŵr bod nhw'n cofio chi.
I thought it was quite funny. I don't know, yeah, I really don't know what they were doing there, to be honest.
Yeah, it was really good. It made me laugh.
What do you think it was all about? Or
I don't know, to be honest. Is it to do with the Welsh language and the Olympics? I thought, I don't know.
I thought it was great. I really enjoyed it. Real good breath of fresh air.
Somebody said they're going for a triathlon and they need to win the triathlon, but because we're not from this place, so we cannot understand the Welsh language. So, but they look really nice, but it's just like it's silly with the luggages on their body.
Do, oedd o'n diddorol de, oedd yna neb yn disgwyl o, so oedd pob yn mynd mlaen fath unusual a suddenly gyda ti flamingos ma'n dod allan o'n illa. A oedd o'n gret, oedd o'n wahanol, vibrant, gael pobl i feddwl beth yn mynd ymlaen, a gael nhw'n siarad Cymraeg, pobl fwy interested beth yn mynd ymlaen, cos oedd nhw'n gwybod pa iaith yn siarad, dwi'n meddwl bod nhw'n reit shocked. So oedd o'n peth da, ni'n meddwl oedd o'n rhywbeth dal llygad pob.
It certainly added to the atmosphere of our forecourt, and we definitely look forward to having the performances here again in a pop-up theatre style. I think many of the attractions across North Wales would jump at the chance to have the performances.